Right guys, we haven't been up to the allotment for a little while. We haven't put a video on for a while, so apologies about that. But we went up today and we've decided to bring a few things back with us and harvest a surprise, which both of us didn't know we got. I'll show you that in a minute. But the butternut squash, my missus pans round to it, for the size compared to my hands. These are quite large. We have now 28 butternut squash, as somebody decided to help themselves to 4 of them, so they were pinched. I also did today potato harvest, my one bread, and some of these are quite large beauties. Scabby, yes, but very edible, so I'm very happy with that. As you can see, 2 big bags. I will weigh them and I will put them on the video to show you the weight, the total weight of those 2 bags. The surprise was this little beauty. How a cauliflower crept into with the sprouts and the red cabbage, we don't know. But the wife loves cauliflower and she is very, very happy with that. More not butternut squash, more of the round courgettes, which my wife's going to be making courgette soup and freezing, so we'll have a good supply through the winter. We also harvested the rest of the tomatoes, and she pulled some spring onions, and these are just as good as in the shops and maybe better because they taste nicer. There's a few more of the potatoes. And she's we actually had a couple of peppers, those, and to the envy of some of you folks, we have peas. We've harvested a good handful, well, good 2 handfuls actually, so we're going to be having those with our Sunday lunch. And she actually pulled up, if I can get to them, here we go, the beetroot, so she'll be having to process those for us. So that little lot, I'm quite pleased, as after the 29th of next month I'm not going to be able to get up to the plot because of my little operation, so I don't think we'll starve to death. Potato reveal, I've got 3 pots left. My missus says if they're white they're Cara and if they're red they're Desiree, because we've lost the tickets out of them. Somehow they got lost, so it's a mystery. So here we go on this lovely sunny afternoon. Let's get some potatoes. They're whites, so they are Cara. Yeah, I got it right for a change. Nice size spuds. Yes, happy with it. Look at that one. Ooh, nice baked potato there. Beautiful, no scabs at all. Nice. Nice smell to them. Yeah, definitely tubs next year for us. I ain't very keen on scabby potatoes, so plus I always think if you're feeding in a tub it's going straight down to the potatoes instead of running off to the sides. So yes, definitely tubs. We can have loads of them from what my wife says. Getting a reasonable crop out of these. Yeah. And as normal, what we'll do, we'll put the compost on the beds, or may even sieve it. Now I've got my new sieve, which I'll show you in a bit. Another one there. Another one. There's some more beauties coming up. Look at these. That's even better than the one I've just shown you. Here now. Beautiful. So that's even more potatoes to add to our 70 pound of potatoes, which I will be putting on our next video. So, oh, another one. And another one.
And some more. That's a good yield out of one tub, I think. I'll bring them up onto the top and show you in a minute. Little one. Oh, hold on. I found the label. Cara. It was in there. Another little one. Yeah. Oh, another little couple, which ain't too bad. Ain't had many little ones. Right, I'll just put them out onto the compost so you can see. One rotten one who's been had by something, so that ain't too bad out of that tub of potatoes. So there we go, we got some good sized ones there, and I'll do the next lot and show you it all together. See you later. Okay, this is tub number 2, and they're whites, so they're Caras again. Looks like a good crop. Yeah. Ooh. Woohoo. This one I put horse manure in with them when I planted them, in like a layer between the compost and the potatoes. So it looks like it's done a good job. Plenty of nice potatoes. And I'm just doing this by the bed where we put the horse manure on, and it stinks. It does. These are smaller, but they'll go down just the same. As you can see, that's the horse manure that I put in. It's certainly done the job. These are more like little new potatoes. These are.
There's a label there, Mike.
There's a label. Ah, that one says Desiree. Well, I don't think they am. Oh dear. Never mind. Yeah, lots of small ones in this one, so that's all right. Eatable. Yeah. Not moaning about the little ones. Them cut in half with a bit of fry light sprayed on them, popped in the oven. Beautiful. Well, I'm happy with them. Again, I'm happy with anything really. As long as I can eat it, I'm happy with it. Right, let's put these on the top so you can see these. Not as big as the last lot, but hey ho, nice little crop out of 4 spuds in a bucket. Lovely jubbly. Now for the last one. See you in a minute. Right, number 3. These might be Caras, you never know. 1 out of 3 might work, so let's see. Nope, they're whites. Whatever we've done with the other ones then, I don't know. And it looks like there's loads of little ones in these as well. So Come on, Mr. Worm. There we go. They're like new potatoes again. These are the ones with the horse manure in again. So I don't know whether it's that stopped them from getting large or just made them produce small ones. I don't know. But I will try it again next year and see what happens, and if they do produce small again.
These could be Maris Pier though, Mike.
Are they?
They might be.
Oh right, okay.
Maybe they just got labelled up wrong.
Yeah, in the rush.
Because
In their excitement.
on the bed, where we've laid them out, the Caras have definitely got a pinkish tinge to them.
Yeah.
Whereas the other ones we've just unearthed, the smaller ones, haven't. And
Oh, right.
we did have some Maris Pier.
Okay.
So maybe they're Maris Piers. Our labelling's just going to have to get better.
Yeah. Definitely. Definitely. Definitely lots of small ones. They're nice.
Be nice to have one of those new potatoes this time of year.
Oh yeah. Maris Pier. That's why they're small.
I hate to be right all the time.
I know you am. As I said, you're the brains, I'm the brawn. So we're going to have to take these home in 3 different sections.
Those are Caras, and this one is Maris Pier.
Oh, it's alright. 2 lots. There was one in there. Feel him. There's the one. And another. And a stone. Well, looking lovely. Oh, loads down here as well. Finding them everywhere. Yeah. Still digging them out. No, that one's rotten. I think they like the horse manure. It was the virtually black stuff I put in, so it should have been quite nutritious. Go on, Mr. Worm. Still coming out. Can't believe it. Endless. There's the horse manure. Potatoes. Beautiful. Can see one then. Yep. 2. Well, I think we've had a lot more out of this one than we did out the last one. So that's good. Alright, I think I've got the lot. Let's level it off and show you. Right, there we go. Nice lot of potatoes. I like little Jersey potatoes, them. Beautiful.
We'll get them weighed when we get home. We haven't brought the scales with us today, so
No,
yep, we'll
Right.
get them all weighed. Okay then.
that's the last of our potatoes, so roll on next year for the tubs. We'll give them a go. Bye for now.